So we're doing the Road to Hana road trip today. We're getting up, it's early. It's 6:30 right now. We'll try to just get ready quick and then get out on the road and do some epic stuff.
White trail.
White trail. It's a little bit of a drive. It's a very pretty drive. It's tough in the car.
Yeah, it's the most trendiest drive I've ever driven.
Yeah, but now we're going to the hike. It's gonna be great. Out here. Beautiful waterfall. We're on our way down now. What do you guys think?
That was amazing. Doesn't get much better than that.
Very nice. What do you think, Ebba? Come here. This is your phone. You
Fucking
like
amazing.
See it in the back here. So now we're gonna power walk back and then we'll see where the next trip. Gina's pool.
So we have some papayas here with a little bit of Kalamata lime, I believe you called it, fresh from Hawaii. Sugar cane, which is very interesting. You don't actually eat it, you chew on it, you suck on it, and then you spit out the fibers. Let me turn this around for you. These beautiful flowers are actually edible. They're not just wish, but they're actually they're edible. You don't just give them to your mother or some shit, you eat them. Yeah? So we got some coconut meat too right here. Coconut milk, coconut meat. And right here is very interesting. We have cacao, which is like there's a seed on the inside that you use for chocolate. But first you suck off the white meat on the outside. And on the inside you can eat the nut if you really want to. It's a little bit bitter. That's what she said, so we'll find out right now.
Get up here. I'm just recording you.
Get off my property, you little kids!
Step on the rope.